watching K News HD International. Aftab Ahmed Khokhar, ambassador of Pakistan post in Vienna, the capital of Austria, organized a program reading in the Independence Day on August 14 and Pakistan Defense Day on September 6, in which the guest of honor was Ambassador Sahibal Mia Suhail Anjum Ansari, Mia Shahzad Anjum Ansari, and Australian in Pakistan. The former ambassador was Dr. Brigitte Bala. On this occasion, prominent singer Ibrahim Haq entertained the guests by singing song. Ambassador Sahiwal Mia Suhail Anjum Ansari interact with the former Australian ambassador Dr. Brigitte and guest former Pakistan business community and other cities and briefed about the country's situation. Former Australian ambassador Dr. Brigitte said while addressing that there is a need to increase the friendship and relationship between Pakistan and Australia. He welcomed Ambassador Sahiwal to Australia with his family. Ambassador of Pakistan Aftab Ahmed Khokhar gave a briefing on this excellent relationship between Pakistan and Australia in his address and encouraged to guests to further expand relations between Pakistan and Australia in trade, culture, and other fields. Children, adults, youth, and women were singing to national song. On this occasion, the Pakistani community said that such a program should continue to be held because of his this even hand living in other countries. People remember their homeland gets.